I think I messed up. I underestimated the Weaverbird's skills. These little avian architects are the true engineers of the bird world. Weaverbirds get their name from the intricate nests they build. Picture this. They weave together grass, leaves, and even spider silk. These nests are so sturdy they can withstand wind, rain, and even predators. But wait, there's more. Male weaverbirds are the real show-offs. They build multiple nests to impress potential mates. If a female likes what she sees, she moves in. Talk about winning over the in-laws, and get this. Some weaverbirds even use knots to secure their nests. That's right, these feathered friends are nature's very own knot-tying experts. So next time you see a weaverbird, remember you're looking at a master builder. Like and subscribe for more amazing bird facts.